Hey, this is Mark with AFT Construction, and we are here at Project Worth the Wait, and let's check out, see the progress. So behind me, you will notice we've got the first coat of stucco, the scratch coat, done. That's completed around the whole house. Next up, we've had the limestone surrounds installed on the windows. Also the siding, it's not quite complete yet, but the siding guys have gotten enough done to where the stone guys can get in here. Stone guys installing the stone veneer on the top of the scratch coat. Following that, they will grout all the joints, and you can see right over here we did a little sample area. We will get the approval from the homeowner prior to grouting everything, so we want to make sure that they're happy with the color before we proceed with any more grout. So that's why we kind of do a little sample area before we start. So here, if we take a closer look at one of the stone veneers here, this is actually a corner piece. These will be placed on the corners. Typically they will start at the corner and then work their way out and up. They don't necessarily always keep the same shape. Sometimes they chip off little pieces in order to fit in the desired area. You can kind of see there's little pieces filled in between, and they don't just come exactly the right size. You will see them just kind of chipping little pieces off in order to make that fit, kind of like a jigsaw. That piece has to fit right next to the other piece. So here's a good example. We have an area like this. Obviously the natural stone is not gonna just fit right in place, so this is where they get creative and chip pieces off to fit in that little area right there, and the same here, the same here. So this is the garage area right here, and this gets wrapped with the limestone surround, and this is put on first before the stone guys come in. That way the stone guys can butt right up to the limestone. So on this particular house, all of the front windows will get the limestone border around them. And on the side here, on the garage side, we will actually get the surround on each garage door. So as you can see, a lot going on today. And next time we visit this, you guys will see a complete different change. We'll have a lot more stone done, a lot more done inside with all the trim work. And thanks for joining us here at Worth the Wait. I'm Mark with AFT Construction, and don't forget to follow.